We've been supporting the environmental management program since the 1980s. Of course, the environmental management program's mission is to reduce risks, human and ecological risks in the environment. The Oak Ridge National Laboratory's Aquatic Ecology Laboratory has been supporting EM in evaluating what those impacts are from those various activities, but then also trying to develop solutions.
We work in the local ecosystems and looking at their responses to remediation and pollution abatement. And so we have a long-term biological monitoring and abatement program. It's been going on 30 years, and it has been systematically and consistently evaluating the fish and aquatic invertebrate communities in the streams and water bodies across the reservation. And so we're looking at changes over time in how these systems and communities are responding to remediation.
Those long-term data sets have been really valuable to EM to evaluate performance of various remedial activities. So what things work, what things don't work, and many of the activities that have been done, we've been able to show steady recovery.
The beauty of these long-term programs is that we have data before the actions taken. So you have a very powerful before-after comparison.
Since the 1980s, I remember when Upper East Fork Poplar Creek near Y12 had just one species of fish and had very few invertebrates. And over the last 30 years now, we've seen a much larger number of fish, over 20 species downstream in Lower East Fork. Many species of invertebrates that were not present back in the 1980s are now present. OREM, both through basic science and also applied science, has been working to better understand how mercury is processed, both chemically and biologically. And we're starting to narrow the potential solutions in the environment. We're really excited that we're getting an upgrade to our capabilities here in the Aquatic Ecology Laboratory. The environmental management program is funding the ability to be able to bring East Fork Poplar Creek water, which has low levels of mercury in the water, and then bring that water over into the stream mesocosms here behind me, as well as other tanks to evaluate technologies that could reduce mercury in water.
Because we don't want mercury to get back into the streams, we've had to close the system. So in other words, have mercury contaminated water in an aquarium, but then it's not really representative of a stream, which is a flowing system. So in order to have a flow through system, we're bringing mercury contaminated water from a local stream. So in that way, we are able to actually study mercury dynamics in a flowing system.
We're hoping to finish in the fall of 2019 and have an operating system here where we can start doing studies here in the fall.